Hi everyone, welcome back to LDubs Investing. If you're new, welcome to the channel, guys, and if you're not, thank you for dropping back in. In this video today, we're talking cryptocurrency. We're talking about what is happening with Cathie Wood and Elon Musk, what's happening with the CBDC and a digital dollar, and so much more, guys. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome back to LDubs Investing. If you like this content and you want to see more videos on cryptocurrency, stock market investing, and of course overall investing, please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Let's jump into it. Alrighty, having a look at the market today, looks like we have some of the altcoins in the green today. We have a few of the altcoins in the dark green today, but overall the market is seeing a decline. We have Bitcoin dominance at 43.88%. Bitcoin just under the $40,000 mark, and Ethereum at 2,700. Let's get into it. Alrighty, Cathie Wood says Elon Musk will return to the green Bitcoin ETF is now more likely. ARK Invest Cathie Wood believes BTC will rally to 500,000 and says the mining sector is incredibly embracing renewable energy. ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood believes the controversial Tesla CEO Dogecoin proponent Elon Musk will again embrace Bitcoin once the greater adoption of renewable energy has occurred within the mining sector. Despite relations between Musk and Bitcoin community soaring, Wood predicted Elon would come back as part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. Comments come as the same day as ARK Sam Korus published an update to the firm's open source solar and battery Bitcoin mining module to allow historic testing of the system interface. The takeaway is that regardless of the Bitcoin bull market, Bitcoin mining can incentivize additional solar and battery installations. The next step is to dimension Solar+Battery+Bitcoin mining at the household level. Musk replied to the post noting that while such a system could be achievable over time, the recent extreme growth in Bitcoin hash rate could not have supported by the renewables. He advocated for the top 10 mining pools for hash rate to post audited breakdowns of their energy sources. With Cathie Wood anticipated renewables will soon represent a large share of the energy fueling the mining sector, the ARK Invest founder is steadfast to her predictions of the $500,000 for the future despite the related cash that saw prices tumble more than 50% over the coming days. Wood characteristic the market has entered a capitulation phase, asserting it is really great time to buy, despite acknowledging you never know how low the market will go. Woods is putting her money where her mouth is, with ARK Invest accumulating shares in Coinbase while the stock has been trading below the direct listing reference of 250. The crypto downturn accelerated with Tesla's Elon Musk appetite U-turn on Bitcoin, with Musk criticizing the environment impacts of Bitcoin mining. Woods also believes the heavy market retracement improves the proposal of the US regulators approving a Bitcoin exchange traded fund or ETF starting. The odds are going up now that we have it in the correction. What are your thoughts on this? Do you find this bullish, guys? Cathie Wood is still sticking to her $500,000 price prediction for Bitcoin. What are your thoughts on this? Are you agreeing? Are you not? This is crazy. On to the next one. Fed will issue discussion papers on benefits and risk of CBDC, says Jerome Powell. Irrespective of the conclusion we ultimately reach, we expect to play a leading role in developing international standards for CBDC, said Jerome Powell. Federal Chair Jerome Powell said the government body is moving forward with the research to implement a central digital currency. In an announcement from the Fed today, Powell said that Federal Reserve Board which be issuing a discussion paper sometime this summer calling for the U.S. public to comment on issues related to payments, financial inclusions, data privacy, and information security. While the Fed chair said crypto was not a convenient way to make payments, given its volatility, it was seamlessly more open to stablecoins and a central bank digital currency, or CBDC. Our key focus is on whether and how CBDC could improve on an already safe, efficient, dramatic, and effective U.S. domestic payment system. We think it's important that any potential CBDC could serve as a complementary to and not a replacement of cash and current private sector digital forms of the dollar, such as deposits as commercial banks. According to the Powell, designing a CBDC in the United States would require input from the public and elected officials, given that it raises important monetary policies financial stability, consumer protection, legal and privacy considerations. The proposed discussion paper would complement the Fed's research into the risks and benefits of issuing a digital dollar, which had been ongoing for the past several years. Irrespective of the conclusion we ultimately reach, we expect to play a leading role in developing international standards for CBDCs, engage actively with central banks in other jurisdictions as we regulators and suppress here in the United States through this process. I think this is bullish news, guys. This is great for the market. If America gets involved, I think many other countries will follow. A CBDC seems like the way to go. We might as well start with the stable coin and eventually end up incorporating into, who knows what other sort of digital currency, guys. On to the next one. Cryptocurrency Derivatives Exchange launches worldwide trading contest. A crypto derivative exchange has launched its first ever trading contest and is encouraging users to showcase their strategies in front of a global audience. A crypto exchange has launched a brand new correspondence to find the ultimate trading master. Bityard, which is based in Singapore, says the maximum prize pool of up to 600,000 USDT is up for grabs, rising in combination from 5,000 USDT, depending on how many participants decide to get involved. Competitors have the chance to band together in teams as they strategize through their paces in this choppy crypto market. The team that comes up in first place will share 30% of the total prize pool between them, with 20% earned mark for the group in second place and 10% for third place. The remaining 40% will be divided between those who rank in positions 4 to 10. What do you think about this, guys? Are you going to get involved? Comment below if you are. I think this is crazy. I think this is great for the overall market. More competitions, the more people can get involved. On to the next one. Bitcoin correction heralded as a buy the dip opportunity, but what about DeFi? DeFi protocol where buzz cuts as their token values plummeted and the total value locked on all platforms fell to levels not seen since April. Cryptocurrency investors are still picking up the pieces from May 19th market worldwide implosion where saw Bitcoin drop to an expected low of 30,000. Post-mortem analysts now shows that the correction catalyzed a mad dash among traders running for the exit as the cascading sale resulted in a record 10,525 liquidations across all exchanges. Altcoins were quick to follow suit and they joined Bitcoin in the plunge, and hardly token were left unscathed by the downturn as a wider sell-off rippled across the market, resulting in a $437 billion haircut to the total market capitalization to $1.672 trillion, its lowest level since April 25th. Decentralized finance took an essentially hard hit as many lending protocols offer flash loans and other forms of leverage to users. With Bitcoin and Ether accounting for a large portion of the funds locked in such protocols, the rapid price decrease resulting in a similar decline in TVL across the DeFi sector, which fell by 21.5% to $114 billion according to data. The Aave lending platform, which is currently the highest ranked DeFi platform in terms of TVL, according to DeFi Laminar, saw its TVL decreased by 16% alongside a 26% decline in the price of Aave's token to 460. The same time, Marco, the second market that saw its TVL fall by 26%, with the MK shredding 16.5% in its value. Nothing was unscathed, guys. DeFi, everything caught the hit. Like it said, this is definitely a buy the dip opportunity, not financial advice, but this is what seems a lot of people are doing. On to the next one. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around to the end. If you like this content and you want to see more, please do not forget to like and subscribe. It is absolutely free, guys. Speaking of free, if you want to get yourself a free Bitcoin, some free Bitcoin, check out the pinned comment to Coinbase and of course CoinSpot, guys. And don't forget, guys, if you want to get yourself a free stock, check out the pin link to Stake. See you next time.